Hola, Miss Bass here with your instructions for today. I have to tell you that we are not supposed to use the book anymore, so I have been working hard creating resources, so I hope this works. This is our class plan for today. You're going to report your attendance, then you're going to start with your actividad inicial, warm up. You're going to click on this photo and follow directions. Now, we're learning new things. So you are going to the photo and you're going to follow the directions. It says in the comments below, respond verbally, and it's giving you two options. Select one and answer properly, use vocabulary two. It's when I'm saying that it's giving you two options, is I'm asking you a question, giving you two options so you can select the answer. So do you like this or do you like that? So you see the question says, ¿qué te gusta más? ¿Pasar tiempo con amigos o escuchar música? You're going to answer verbally. That means you're going to record. You're going to answer if you like better to spend time with friends or to listen to music. So you are going to click on reply. I put a video here on how to do it, just in case. But you're going to click reply here. And then you go right here where it says upload record media, and then you're gonna click record, and here is gonna show you video. It's not showing because I'm using the camera to record this, but what you do is you go to webcam and you say no video, and then you start recording. And then once you have your recording, it gives you a countdown, and once you start to record, you click, you listen, and once you start to record, and if you like it, you just click save, and then you post it in your comments. Just post reply and you're good. Okay, so I'm going to cancel because I'm not gonna post that because it was not really what I. So that's what you had to do for your warm up. So that's gonna give you 20 points because you are learning how to do it and then you're posting your comments. So let's see how we do with that. Then I'm gonna post this video that I'm recording right here. You have your vocabulary too. That is the new vocabulary for this unit, and the slideshow. I'm gonna put that in your class plans. Oh wait, I skipped this part. In this part, you are going to learn about negative forms in Spanish and also how to agree or disagree when talking about likes and dislikes. Please watch this grammar video. So I recorded the video from the book that we usually watch in the book, but I recorded right here, and then you're going to be able to understand better how to do negatives and how to do agreement or disagreement with people. Also below, there's some written information about negatives, agreeing and disagreeing. Here's your video instructional and some other useful tips and tools. I tried to, when I posted the pictures, I realized that you cannot see the pictures when I went to the student view. So what I did was I put this in Google Docs. So when you open, it's going to show you the notes. So right there is the image of the notes so you can see it. Okay, so you will have your notes right here. So it says, this is negatives, this is agreement or disagreement. And then after you watch the video, read this, compare notes, etc., you're going to complete two activities. You have one activity, and then I put them in Google Forms. That's what took me forever. And you're gonna get immediate feedback. So here's your activity. I actually posted a video on that right here. So you can watch this video on how to make that activity. I know there's a lot of videos, but they are very short. And since sometimes I'm not able to connect because it's sometimes on Friday that we have class. So I decided just to put the videos there. So it's like I'm there. And okay, so that's one, and the other one is the audio activity. For the audio activity, you click here, and then you are going to click here is the audio that I recorded. So you're gonna hear it, and then you have this activity that you're gonna listen Hola, and complete. Me gusta hablar por teléfono. So you just need to select Hola, me gusta what you hear. Here's the instructions. And you listen Hola, and complete the activity. It's teléfono. 5 questions. So that's Hola. All you have to do for today. One more thing. I'm going to show you what you're seeing today. So we were learning how to say I like to do, right? So me gusta practicar deportes. Okay, so that is I like to practice sports. What if I want to say that I don't like it? I want to say I don't like to practice sports. So I'm going to write no me gusta practicar deportes. Practicar deportes. So you see, we add this word right here when we are going to talk about negatives. So that's basically what your video says. But I want you to see the video, you can understand better. So that is the example. Now, what if I agree with this person? Let's agree with the first person. The first person makes this statement, and I want to agree on that person. I also like to practice sports. So when I see that somebody likes something and I agree with that person, I can say, a mí también. Okay? And I am agreeing with that person. What is I agree with somebody who does not like to practice sports? Instead of say a mí también, I'm going to say a mí tampoco. And notice that there's a special character. A mí también to agree with something that both like to do, and a mí tampoco to agree with somebody who does not like to do. Okay? But what if this person likes, but then I don't agree? So the person likes to practice sports, but I don't like. So I'm going to say, when they ask me, let's move to another page. So the person says, me gusta practicar deportes. And then they're going to ask me, ¿a ti te gusta? And let's move my face from there. There you go. And then I'm going to answer that question. So since I don't like it, I said no. No. And I'm going to make a new statement. No me gusta practicar deportes. So I have to make a new statement. I had to say that I don't like because I don't agree. So in this case, I don't agree. So what if a person says something they don't like? No me, and I know that I did all the samples with the same, but I don't want you to get confused. So that's why I use the same example for all of them. No me gusta practicar deportes. No me gusta practicar deportes. Otra vez, practicar, no, practicar deportes. ¿A ti te gusta? And I don't agree because I like. You see, this person doesn't like, this person doesn't like, but I like. So I say, sí, a mí me gusta mucho practicar deportes. So I made a new statement. I'm going to move, where do I move my face? Let's move it over here. Okay, and let's move this here a little lower. So, basically, when I agree, me gusta, a mí también. I like, me too. No me gusta, a mí tampoco. I don't like, me neither. When we don't agree, me gusta, do you like? No, I don't like. And no me gusta, do you like? Yes, I do like. Okay? So that's basically what you are working with today. Let's hope that that goes good today. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Do not forget to complete your warm-up. And I'll see you around. Adios.